Hello. This video answers a frequently asked question online. How do I get the old context menu back in Windows 11 instead of the new one? The old one was definitely more convenient. I'll answer this question and give two methods. The first is manually using the registry editor. Simply type Regedit in the Start menu, or Regedit in English. Run it. Now in the registry editor, find the following branch, HK Current User Software Classes CLSID. And here, find the following key. Be careful when using the registry editor if this is your first time. Don't delete or change anything here without a reason. It's dangerous. If you have a folder with this name, you need to create a key inside it. Create a section called InfoPro Server 32. I intentionally added extra information here to create the new context menu. Now it's called InfoPro Server 32. If this section doesn't exist, you need to create a section with this name here. You can copy it from the link in the description. After that, restart your computer or simply restart Explorer through Task Manager. For example, you can do it like this, Task Manager. Find Explorer and click Restart. Now we have the old context menu. And notice that I don't have anything extra here, it's all empty. I'll show you this in the next 2 minutes of this video. This is the second way to restore the old context menu. It's a program called Problem-Free PC, which I've been working on for the last 3 years, and it's constantly being improved and updated. You can learn more about its features on the program's website, as well as on our channel. Go to the Optimization section. Context Menu tab. This is the third one. And the first switch is Windows 11 Restore Classic Context Menu. You see, it's already enabled. Just click here, it works for free, and it's enabled. And the other frames you see here, the checkboxes, are available in the Pro version of the program, not the paid version. Here you can remove these items from the menu that appears in the desktop background, folder background, and shortcut background using the checkboxes. If you have a lot of these items, and you don't have any useful, convenient ones like mine, you can configure them all using this menu. Then click the Restart Explorer button right from here, and everything will be activated. You can even add your own program. As I already said, you can learn more about the program without any problems for now by watching the video on the channel and on the website pcnp.com. It covers disabling antivirus software, cleaning the disk, disabling unnecessary services, and removing programs with all their traces. But I think this video is full of ads. Anyone interested can find out more. The main thing we've seen is how you can easily restore the context menu that existed before Windows 10 and use it in the latest Windows 11 updates.